guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is very exciting. It is a collab with my friend Mandy here on YouTube. We are bringing y'all a power hour. We will both be doing a power hour. Her channel is called Hey It's Mandy, and I'll be sure to link all of her information down below in the description box. Her channel is full of organizing and decluttering and cleaning. It's very similar to my channel, so I know you guys will love it. After you watch my video, be sure to go and watch her video and give both of our videos a thumbs up if you like them. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channels. Comment down below if you are coming from Mandy's channel. I'd love to say hi to you and connect and have you part of my YouTube family. Now let's get into the video.
Hey friends, my name is Mandy and I live in Virginia. Here on my channel I upload realistic cleaning videos, decluttering, decor, and everything else home related. I would love for you to come and check out my channel as soon as you finish watching Jessica's video today. I would like to invite you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. I cannot wait to meet you guys, so I hope to see you there soon.
So if you are new to what a power hour is, it's pretty much you make a list of everything you would like to get done in 1 hour, and then you race against the clock to get all of your list finished. And so here is mine. I got you chill while others hurry.
I didn't know that Okay, so I'm about to start this power hour. I made a list. And we're doing the living room, so I put pick up because there's always toys to pick up, dust fan, dust furniture, vacuum, maybe mop, and I'm not sure because I do want to move all the furniture and clean underneath the furniture. And then I also put the window and doors. Let's see what we can get done, and if I get all of this done and have time, I might mop. It's 2:57. Going to get some of my cleaning supplies ready, and then it will be time to start. So here we go. So I got everything ready right here in my window. This pass through to the kitchen. I got my list, my dusting spray, my glass cleaner, all method, and some cleaning cloths. We're going to get started. The boys are in the room playing, except for Jack. Jack is out here with me, so that will be a little obstacle. We're going to see if we can get this done in 1 hour. Go time.
Was a kid. I've always put my feet wherever I want to. Before I saw who I could be, kept thinking, where did I go wrong? Then realizing where I do come from. Was asking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me. Cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel, when I know that it's not about you, just me. Cause I was made to be free.
My camera ended up going dead. The battery went dead during filming, so there are a couple things that I did not get to record during this power hour, and that was cleaning the window and the back door. All I did was use my Method glass cleaner and wiped those off. But anyways, I just want to let you know that I did do those.
Tonight we're running on the right track.
vacuum that we got for Christmas. If you guys have one, comment down below which one you have and how often you run yours. It seems like I run mine every couple days. There for a while I was doing it every day, but then I just kind of stopped. Now I do it probably every 2 to 3 days.
Where's the fun in doing what you're told? But I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we'll just let go. To the beat and treat every freak out, singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la. Singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out, singing like. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
I'm letting the floor dry and I just realized I forgot to dust the fan before I swept and mopped.
So I also did not record me cleaning under the TV stand, and that's because my battery had gone dead. I believe that's the only other thing that I did not film.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
comments below if you have any idea on how I can hide these cords. Over here where these lamps and speakers and the record player is, I do not know how to do it and they drive me crazy.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now.
3:45. I have picked up. I haven't dusted the fan. I dusted the furniture and vacuumed, and I ended up mopping, and I moved the furniture. So I have the fan in the window and door, and I have 15 minutes. Let's see if I can do it.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Also subscribe to my channel. If you are new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you are coming over from Mandy's channel, please comment down below and say hello. I would love to connect with you and welcome you to my channel. Also, if you are one of my subscribers, please head on over to Mandy's channel now, and all of her information is linked down in the description box. Check out her Power Hour video for today, and also subscribe to her channel if you would like to see more of her videos. I know you guys are going to love them so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!